Hello guys, so our next topic in ammonia is to prepare liquor ammonia, okay, and liquor ammonia is nothing but solution of ammonia in water or aqueous solution of ammonia. So that is what we are going to study now. It is a very important topic, and remember, you need to understand it, not learn it by heart. So today what we are going to do, we are going to understand the theories and principles, the physics behind it, chemistry में physics behind it, and going to ensure that we understand this properly. Okay guys, so first thing is I need to solubilize ammonia in water. So ammonia is getting prepared. I connect a pipeline into water like this, okay, and if you put this ammonia over here, what happens? If you put this ammonia over here, now this ammonia is highly soluble in water, okay? Ammonia is highly soluble in water. So if ammonia is highly soluble in water, then what happens? This water basically pushes up the pipeline, and this is called back suction. That is water getting towards ammonia. हमको तो ammonia water में डालना था, लेकिन water क्या है? Water is very much soluble in ammonia also. So what happens? Water tries to go up. Now even the small amount of water can go up through this pipeline to a long distance, because the reason is a small amount of water is equivalent to this amount of water, because this pipeline is very thin, okay, it can go, okay, it can go like this, because as long as there is contact between this water and this water surface, okay, as long as there is contact between this water and this water surface, it can go like this, okay. So due to the high solubility of ammonia in water, ठीक है, तो ये तो प्रॉब्लम है, it is causing back suction into the ammonia. So ammonia will not be able to come inside water, and the solubilization of ammonia, ammonia को जो पानी में डालना था और घुलाना था वो नहीं हो पाएगा. क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा? क्योंकि वाटर ammonia की तरफ जा रहा है, ammonia नहीं आ पा रहा है. अल्टीमेटली ऐसा हो सकता है कि वाटर ammonia में चला जाए, तो ये रास्ता जो है ammonia का, that is blocked. Ammonia cannot pass through this. And this part, what you can see over here, is basically mixed between ammonia and water. So in this case, ammonia is not going to be solubilized into this, because it is already saturated with ammonia. तो ammonia इसके अंदर कैसे घुसेगा? नहीं घुस पाएगा, तो ये इधर पे आ नहीं पाएगा, तो आपका aqueous solution नहीं बनेगा. So in that case, what can we do? What can we do, guys? What can we do is, we use this arrangement that you can see over here. This arrangement is very important. Please remember the name. It is called inverted funnel arrangement. Inverted funnel arrangement. ठीक है? Arrangement. Inverted funnel arrangement. ठीक है? So what happens right now? Ammonia is going like this. Now here, extra surface area. So what happens? This ammonia gets a lot of surface area to go into the water. ठीक है? Lot of surface area to go into the water. Uniform dissolution. Extra surface area provided will cause uniform dissolution. First advantage, this is causing uniform dissolution. Definitely, abhi bhi to water will try to go up, right, like this, will try to go up like this inside the ammonia. But what happens now is, now this volume is much high. So even if little amount of water goes into this, it creates a gap between this part and this part. And don't forget, my dear friend, it's physics, gravity. This water will fall down. This part, liquor, will fall down. ठीक है? As soon as it falls down, again ammonia comes and dissolutes. Again some amount of water. ये गिर गया. कंडीशन क्या है? ये गिर जाने के बाद फिर से ये कंडीशन में आ जाएगा. ये कंडीशन में आ गया. Ammonia can still enter. Again it goes to like this. Some amount of water, little concentrated with ammonia, goes into this one. Again the gap is created. Again it falls down due to gravity. And again this condition comes up. So this process continues till the water is completely saturated with ammonia, forming ammonia liquor. So try to understand the physics behind it. Whenever this question comes, remember two important terms are over here. One is back suction. Inverted funnel arrangement is used to prevent back suction. Prevent back suction. Okay? To prevent back suction, and extra surface area is provided to cause uniform dissolution. Okay? Number one. Number two, it prevents back suction by this method. Please show and write whatever I have said. Absolutely, by drawing all the diagrams, make it a picture perfect paper, and remember that will cause an difference between you and your peers while in terms of the marking that the teacher is going to give you. Definitely don't draw this smiley. Okay, anything else? Well, you can write, definitely. Okay, so this is all about aqueous solution of ammonia, back suction and inverted funnel arrangement. Thank you guys.